Welcome, Spine Zone Maintenance patient. I'm Tim Kearin, exercise physiology consultant for Spine Zone Medical Fitness. If you've been doing the in-home maintenance program for the past 3 months, you know me well. Glad to have you back. After closing to all patients nearly 3 months ago to meet COVID-19 requirements, we are now opening for the use by maintenance patients. For the safety and protection of all, we have developed comprehensive entry requirements. I'd like to take a few minutes now and review these with you so that you will be prepared for your workout when you arrive. The first step is that all maintenance appointments now require scheduling and prepayment over phone to limit the time in the waiting room. Walk-in appointments are no longer available. Please arrive for your appointment 5 minutes early so that you're ready to go, as we only allow one person in the facility at a time. Upon arrival, don your mask and wait outside the red lines that you see on the floor. A staff member will greet you and check your temperature and ask a few COVID questions. After passing your screen, you will be invited in. You will be provided your existing workout card and directed into the facility. Keep your workout card, as we are no longer holding them for you. Be sure to take it with you and bring it back when you return. Before you begin each exercise, reduce the weight you last used by 20 to 30%. Even if you have been working diligently with the bands, you'll be placing a different type of stress on the muscle. Remember to do slow, controlled reps, emphasizing full range of motion, and continue until it becomes difficult. If 20 repetitions is not difficult, proceed to 25 or until you experience mild fatigue. Then progress 5% each workout until you are back to your old weight. When you finish with the apparatus, use the provided sanitizing wipes and wipe the machine, including handles, weight pins, and upholstery, so it's completely sanitized for the next patient. Move to your next machine and repeat the process. Maintain a minimum of 6 feet separation from other participants. If you utilize any bands or mats, please wipe them down also. We politely ask you to refer to our clinical team and their patients' needs to complete their exercise program as well. Your flexibility is appreciated. This may seem like a lot to do, but it's necessary to ensure safety for all. Please try to complete your workout in 30 to 40 minutes, as another maintenance member will be waiting for you when you leave. When you complete your workout, return to the front desk and inform them you are leaving. You may at that time schedule your next session, or you can do it later by phone. While optimal workouts are done twice per week on alternate days, we must limit you to 1 visit per week for the rest of the summer. This will allow us to admit as many maintenance patients as possible. So it will be important for you to continue your maintenance workout on alternate days. Remember, we at Spine Zone are happy to have you back, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you for your cooperation.